Hello, Robert Carter, District Technology Coach here with Google Forms. In this video, I'd like to go over how to get your Google Doc out to respondents, as well as to add collaborators. So your respondents are the people who you want to take the actual form. They are the people in which you're looking to collect data from, whether it's your staff or your students or whoever it happens to be. Let's start there. Now we can send, if you have a group set up, such as a high school group, we can simply send this out. Message can be, you can leave it as the default, or please, okay, ASAP. Okay, we can embed the form in there if we choose, and we can simply hit send. Okay. Additionally, I can require that I get their email address right away. That also helps if my form does not have a built-in name field. Okay. I can also embed this in a website if I chose to. Not going to go over that right now. It's one of the probably less likely uses of this. But we can also simply share the form. Now, this is applicable, especially if you're looking to collect data from students, that this is sent out via like Google Classroom or something along those lines. You would simply copy and attach it into Google Classroom or email directly to your students, whatever it happens to be. Now, adding a collaborator is a little bit different. We've got this three dot line here and add a collaborator. These are people that you want to have edit access to this document. So just like sharing a document, you would go ahead and add the person in here and give them the level of access that you would like. And in this case, given that you're giving them collaborator access, it's full edit access. So please be sure that whoever you're sharing with is somebody that you're okay with them making edits. As soon as you're done, you can hit send. You can add a message that, hi, I shared the document with you, yada, yada, yada. Please look it over for edits. Once you're done, hit send. Okay. You can also even prevent the editors from changing the access or adding new collaborators if you choose. So I'm not, actually, let's go ahead and just send, even though it doesn't just send it to myself. I'm going to hit done. So as I mentioned, a couple of different ways. The whole point of this video was to show you your ability to send the form via direct email. Sharing it by the link are the two main ways that you would end up distributing a form to your respondents, as well as adding collaborators via direct email, giving them a message, and the extra owner settings that you could prevent them from adding additional collaborators yourself. So I hope this video has been of some use. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.